sounds. Horse goes neigh. Horse neigh. Chicken. Rooster. Donkey. Pig. A sheep. A duck. Owl. Hoo, 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 hoo. A cow. Moo. Chip, 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 chip. A hen. Roots. I already said that. Turkey. Gobble, 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 gobble. A goo. No. Angry hen. Well, either way, that's the same as a hen. A dog. A cat. Meow. A meow. A kitty. Meow. And a puppy. A human. Blah, 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 blah. Talking. They don't actually say that, but they talk like this. Okay, a bee. Zzz, a fly. A fish. Bloop, 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 bloop. A shark. A whale. A dolphin. A silly cat. You just something like that one more time. That is my brother, my little brother. I got in your underwear. Wedgie! Dude, totally like there. That's the footage of. Ow! Okay, I was just trying to get a footage. Crocodile. Elephant. Monkey. Tiger. She sucks. No, I don't. Lion. Right? Welcome back. Welcome back to turkeys. A seal. That's okay, that's not the one. A seal. An otter. Ow. Yeah, a seal. A seal. I forgot. Anyway, a walrus. A bear. Puma. Mountain lion. Almost the same. Cheetah. A unicorn. A Pegasus. Aliens. Me Put a disc in me. Turn my hand. I'm pretending. Turn my hand. Cause I need to finish the alien. Boop. That air would do.
Wonder what's so special about this staff. Another booby trap for a stick. These guys are paranoid. And from the sound of it,
Just
they're
kick.
calling reinforcements. Like a bowl of angry dingoes to make things a bit more interesting.
Laser. I don't want to do. Wait, how do you do the lazy thing song again? Today I don't feel like doing anything. All I wanna do is sit back down. Just leave a message at the tone. Don't worry, I won't pick up my phone. Just leave a message. Just leave a comment.